Hello, today I'm going to talk about my professional practice that I did at Besalco Construcciones. The company Besalco was founded in 1944 as a construction company specializing in road projects, but it quickly expanded to the construction of all types of infrastructure projects. In 1995, it was the first company to join the stock market, the first construction company to join the stock market, and in the year 2000 it began a restructuration process in which it divided into multiple subsidiaries as seen on the screen, and one of them is Besalco Construcciones, which is where I did my practice. I specifically worked in the studies department of the company. Some historical constructions include the US Embassy in Chile, the Sausalito Stadium in Valparaiso, the Line 2 of the metro system, and currently the company is active by building the Nahuel Buta route connecting Angol and Los Angeles, the Santa Elvira Bridge in Valdivia, parts of Line 7 of the Metro of Santiago, and the expansion of Line 3 of the Metro. The project I worked on is still in its bidding process, and it's the construction and improvement of the railway connecting Melipilla and Estación Central, which also includes all the related infrastructure such as bridges, underpasses and stations. And the second project is the workshops and garages that are associated to that project. My main tasks and activities involve cubages of the electric vault and the polyducts of the garages and workshops, as well as the bridges that are part of the infrastructure project. I also had to do quotations for various materials and items. For example, the prefabricated electric vaults, asphaltic pavements, reinforcement steel, among others. And the quotations had the ultimate goal of being able to make price comparisons for these items and determine the cheapest price so that this could be included in the budget that should be presented at the end for these projects. My most challenging activity is the garages and workshop project because it was the most complex and it included pretty much all the tasks that I previously mentioned. We had to compare the two options between using prefabricated electric vaults and building them on site, since that was not specified by the designers. To evaluate the price of constructing them on site, I had to do the cubages of all the materials that were used. For that, I had to review all the plans and technical documentation related, and with that we could calculate the total. Then for the prefabricated one, I had to get quotations from various companies and then compare the prices to get the cheapest. Finally, it turned out that the prefabricated option was cheaper, and this activity mainly showed me also that it's very important to make good decisions and to be well informed about all the decisions that you make. Finally, I can say that it was a valuable experience. I learned a lot about teamwork and communication skills and problem solving. And I hope that it contributes to my future career, perhaps also to my studies, and that I can take the most out of this experience. Thank you very much.